Weirdly, no signal again. Did I miss it?
Oh,
Oh, yes.
hello, my friends. This is the first treasure hunt in 2023, and I'm on this beautiful field. It was the last treasure hunt in last year, 2022, and there are many big coins. Farmer is my friend, and he gave me permission to hunting on this place.
Oh, wow. The first signal. Such a strong signal. I thought it was just a piece of aluminum. Look what we've got here. Wow. I didn't even have time to put on gloves. It got so hot. Wow, yeah. It's good to have water here to wash it right away. It's cool that this stuff is intact. This is the field I dug in last fall. Notice, there is no damage visible. That's because I'm burying holes. I've got a good signal over here near Oak. I'd better check it out. Actually, I have some doubts, but I'll check it out.
Ah,
Oh, look. There is something sticking out of this piece of ground.
oh,
Oh, hell no. It's just a piece of threaded copper tubing. I removed some iron from the field. Maybe on the way back, I'll pick this up. I got closer to this oak tree. And there is a good signal here.
oh,
7283. Like a cork. Well, I dig it up in case it's not a cork. There aren't many of them here at all, which is rare enough. I think that's because this field is surrounded by a fence.
так.
Strange. I can't see anything. Although I have a signal. Oh, look. There is something green.
О,
Well, it's definitely not cork.
о,
I think I see some letters. There is also a hole here. Wondering what it is. Wow, this is something interesting. Looks like there is an inscription here. 1908. I hope that's the year. It's definitely something interesting. And certainly not a cock. Maybe someone was climbing this oak tree and dropped this.
I think it's something interesting, my friends.
Look how interesting it is. I've got two good signals right next to each other. I'm still digging next to the talk.
Oh.
Here the first signal, 96. And here the second signal. It's a little lower, 92. Both are good.
Hmm?
Personally, I'm in favor of digging into both signals. Oh, it's a 96.
Opa.
The first one's ready. I'm not going to see what is it yet, although it's very interesting.
Oh.
Here comes the second one, 92. Well, let's see now. It's very interesting. Here is my pinpointer. Where the first signal was, I've already forgotten. Weirdly, no signal again. Did I miss it? I'll check it out. Oh, it's here, somewhere. Guys, here it is.
Hey. Oh.
Oh, I dropped it. Oh, that's a coin.
Ah.
I thought it was an imperial coin, but it's Soviet. Nevertheless, look. What a cheerful 2 kopecks from 1924. Super. Not bad condition for a coin from the ground. Maybe it's because there is no fertilizer in the ground here, under the oak tree. So, now we're going to test the second signal.
Dick.
I wonder what we have here. Somewhere here. It hasn't gone. Well, that's a slightly different signal. Still, I see something round. Wow! This coin is a little smaller. It's probably a kopeck. Oh, look! How well we can see this design. Wow, it's even shiny. If this were 1925, I'm dreaming. Well, and the 24th year pleased me. Still, the old Soviet copper is more interesting than the late coins. A turns out that the two coins were lying side by side. Maybe someone climbed this oak tree. Maybe for acorns.
Okay, here definitely was the house, but there's a fourth coin. Oh, I think it's the 3 kopecks. Yes, it's 3 kopecks of 1875. Well, it's a good find.
I looked under the oak tree for a long time, but there was nothing else. But look what we've got here. An old German cartridge, unfired. It's a good thing this bullet didn't kill anyone. The bag fills up with trash, and I've gone to the edge of the field. There was a tall grass in the fall, and now I have hope of finding something. Of course, the signal isn't very strong, maybe because it's deep, but I'll check it out just in case. I dug a deep hole, but the signal's still here. Don't like it. Something big in here somewhere. Well, as you can see, I was right. From great depth, the iron gives a questionable signal. I mean, it could have been a coin. Look, the animals don't care about that fence. They run to the field for their crops. The signal wasn't very good. 80. And look what fell out.
Oh, yeah.
That's some bullshit. The signal is 86, 87. Not very deep. Here is something. It's a stripe on the ground my shovel left. There is something here. I've been walking around the field for over an hour. It's not looking good. Oh, listen. I think it's similar to what we're all looking for. It's look like.
Oh,
Let's see. Wow, look at that. Something thin and round. Oh yes. I think it's a Soviet coin. It's the size of a 10. It's weird that the coin is so green, but sometimes it happens. Well, it's definitely silver.
ого, класс. I think it's a cool place.
Someone put a nipple in a plastic bottle cork. I wonder what it's for. Do you have any ideas? And here is the next find, lost by a horse. My device detected a large piece of copper. Well, it looks like it's not just a piece. Let's see. I don't even know what it is. Maybe you friends do. It's not much of an icon, but it's beautiful. It's something vintage, but what it really is. The signal is much better, 87, but the wind has picked up. Clear signal.
Oh,
Some little round thing. I can't believe we got silver again. The right size. See, it's billion again. And it's 10 kopecks too. 23rd year again. Apparently I knocked out all the big copper last time, leaving only the fine silver. Actually, I don't mind. And the next riddle. Well, friends, I was about to leave, but there was a weak but good signal. And here is a little coin. Wow, it's an empire. I thought only Soviet coins would be found today. Oh, that's Alexander II. Wow, that's 1/2 a kopeck. Such coins are much rarer. Thanks for watching. You can support me on Patreon if you wish.